How to open a bank account on TD Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open a TD Bank account online. So to do that, first of all, go to the TD Bank app and simply tap on the option Product and Services. Now once you've done that, you'll have to tap on the option Open an Account. Now once you've done that, you will be provided with the list of all of the different account types over here. It can be checking account, savings account, certificate of deposit, etc. Simply choose the type you'd like to open and then enter details such as your first name, last name, date of birth, social security number, and your mobile number. Now once you've done that, you'll have to verify your identity. So you'll have to take a photo of your ID, answer security questions, or you can also choose other options. Me personally, I would recommend using one of these two options over here. Now once you've done that, you'll have to enter additional information such as your residential address, your employment status, your annual income, your funding sources. Tap on the option continue, then agree to their terms and conditions. So once you tap on the option submit, you will have successfully opened a bank account on TD Bank. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.